Welcome. Today we are going to do two questions that from the chapter carbon and its compound so far that we had done. So far we had studied about what kind of bond carbon does, and we have studied that as carbon neither can accept four electrons and can give up four electrons, it share four electrons to gain its octet and thus form covalent bond. That's why most of the hydrocarbon compounds that carbon produces are predominantly of covalent type. We also formed, we also studied how many numbers of covalent bonds are there, and we discussed about the concept known as electron dot structure. Depending on the so far topics that we had covered, the two questions that we are going to study today. The first question is, what would be the electron dot structure what would be the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide of carbon dioxide which has the formula CO2. This is the question, and the answer will be the central atom. This is carbon comprising four electrons, each is doing a bond by sharing two electrons to each of the oxygen. Now oxygen comprises 6 electron, and each oxygen is sharing also 2 electron, creating the bond, and thus the carbon is fulfilling its octet and also the oxygen is fulfilling its octet, and thus forming two double bond. So this is the structure of carbon dioxide on the basis of Lewis dot structure. The second question is, What would be the electron dot structure what would be the electron dot structure of sulfur which is made up of 8 atoms of sulfur. This is the question. Now, the answer, the Lewis dot structure for this one is sulfur sorry, let's try to construct this in a symmetrical way. First of all, in the opposite end there will be 4 sulfur, and on each corner there will be 4 more sulfur. Each one will be sharing one electron with another, and thus 2 electron will be shared, and each sulfur will have 2 lone pair on them which they did not shared. And thus they all are forming single bond with each other and containing 2 lone pairs. They are forming 2 single bond with adjacent sulfur atoms. Again, in a similar way, sulfur in the opposite end, another sulfur, and at each corner in opposite there will be another sulfur. There will be single bond between adjacent sulfur, and each sulfur containing two lone pair. So this is the Lewis dot structure of S8 molecule.